Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our online education platform for the integrated classes, the VAVA classes. So this part I solve question number 37. A line make an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the x, y, z axis, then sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to. These are the options, students. Now solution. We know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. That implies 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma equal to 1. So sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So second option is the right option, students. Now question number 38. If E equal to L I cap plus M j cap plus N k cap is the unit vector, the maximum value of Lm plus Mn plus Nl is. These are the options, students. Now solution. L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. We know L minus M whole square plus M minus N whole square plus N minus L whole square greater than equal to 0. So 2 times L square plus M square plus N square is greater than equal to 2 times Lm plus Mn plus Nl. By simplification, Lm plus Mn plus Nl is less than equal to 1. So third option is the right option, students. Now question number 39. 2y plus 3j plus 5k, 2y plus 4j plus 5k, 2y plus 4j plus 7k are the vertices of a triangle. Then the circumcenter is. These are the options, students. Now solution. Circumcenter equal to 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus 7 by 2. So it is 2, 7, 2y cap, 7 by 2j cap plus 6k cap. So second option is the right option. Let ABC be a triangle and ADBCF be its median. Then AD plus BE plus CF. These are the options. Solution. AD plus BE plus CF equal to OD minus OA plus OE minus OB plus OF minus OC. That equal to B plus C by 2 minus A plus C by 2 minus B plus A plus B by 2 minus C, which is equal to B plus C minus 2A plus A plus C minus 2B plus A plus B minus 2C by 2 equal to, by simplification, is 0. So fourth option is the right option, students. Now question number 41. If G is centroid of triangle ABC, G dash is centroid of triangle A dash B dash B C dash, then A dash plus B dash plus C dash. These are the options, students. Solution. A dash plus B dash plus C dash. That it is equal to O A dash minus OA plus OB dash minus OB plus OC dash minus OC. For our simplicity, we can write OA dash plus OB dash plus OC dash minus OA plus OB plus OC. This is OA dash plus OB dash plus OC dash equal to 3 times OG dash, where G dash is centroid of triangle A dash B dash C dash, minus OA plus OB plus OC is 3 times OG, where G is centroid of triangle ABC. So it is 3 times OG dash minus OG, so 3 times G dash. So fourth option is the right option, students. Now question number 42. If AB equal to minus 3i cap plus 4k cap, BC equal to minus I cap minus 2k cap are the side of the triangle ABC, then the length of the median AM is. These are the options, students. Now solution. SC equal to if you take A as origin, it will be AB plus BC. AB plus BC equal to AC. Okay. So it is minus 3i cap minus I cap minus 4i cap, 4k cap minus 2k cap plus 2k cap. Okay. Now take now the length of the median of AM. Okay. Suppose D is the midpoint of BC, Now AD equal to minus 7 I cap plus 6k cap by 2. So AD mod magnitude of AD is root 85 by 2. So length of the median AD or AM, whatever may be. The median AM, or that median AM means AM is the midpoint of BC here, suppose. Actually it is asking median AM. So AM should be the midpoint of BC, and AM is now minus 7 I cap plus 6k cap by 2. So D is midpoint of BC. So the OD vector is minus 1 by 2 I cap minus k cap. Okay. So AM it will be minus 7 I cap plus 6k by 2. The length is root 85 by 2. Okay. In triangle ABC, G is centroid if AB equal to B, AC equal to C. Then AG equal to, these are the options, friends. Now solution. Take A as origin, AG equal to 1 by 3 B plus C. So second option is the right option, students. Now 44. Let ABCD is a parallelogram and SCBD be its diagonal. Then AC plus BD is. These are the options, students. Now AC plus BD equal to AB plus BC minus AB plus AD. By simplification, AB cancel, it is BC plus AD, AD is BC, so it is 2 times BC. So second option is the right option, students. Now question number 45. Let ABCD is a parallelogram, AC square plus BD square equal to. These are the options. Now solution. ABCD is a parallelogram, so AC square plus BD square equal to, SC is AB plus BC, so AB plus BC whole square plus BD is BC plus CD whole square. So since CD equal to BA, so it is AB plus BC square plus BC plus BA square. So it is AB plus BC square plus minus AB plus BC square. So it is just like A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. So 2 times A square plus B square. Okay. So third option is the right option, students. Now question number 46. Let ABCD be the position vector of the point ABCD respectively. The condition for the figure ABCD to be a parallelogram is. These are the options. Solution. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That is A plus C by 2 equal to B plus D by 2. So by simplification, A plus C equal to B plus D. So third option is the right option, students. Now question number 47. If ABCDEF is a regular hexagon and G is the center of hexagon and AB plus AC plus AD plus AE plus AF equal to lambda times AG, then lambda equal to. These are the options. Solution. Now this is ABCDEF. This is a regular hexagon. Okay. Now AB equal to ED, AF equal to CD, AB plus AE plus AD plus AC plus AB plus AF. So it is 3 times AD equal to 6 times AG. So second option is the right option, students. Now question number 48. If S and O are the circumcenter and orthocenter of triangle ABC, then SA plus SB plus SC equal to. These are the options. Now solution. D is the midpoint of BC. So BD equal to DC. That implies DB plus DC equal to 0. So 2SD equal to AO. SA plus SB plus SC equal to SA plus SD plus DB plus SD plus DC. So it is SA plus AO which equal to SO. So first option is the right option, students. Now question number 49. If S and O are circumcenter and orthocenter of triangle ABC, then OA plus OB plus OC equal to first, second, third, fourth. These are the options, students. Now solution. 2 times SD equal to AO. So OA plus OB plus OC equal to OA plus OD plus DB plus OD plus DC. So OA plus OD plus OD is 2 times OD. This is equal to OA plus 2 times OS plus SD. So it is OA plus AO plus 2 times OS. So by simplification, the answer is OA plus AO is 0. So it is 2 times OS. So third option is the right option, students. Now question number 50. The point of intersection of the line R equal to A plus S into B plus C, R equal to B plus T whole into C plus A is, these are the options, students. The solution: A plus S whole into B plus C equal to B plus T whole into C plus A. So here T equal to 1, S equal to 1, that implies R equal to A plus B plus C. So third option is the right option, students. Now question number 51. The vector equation of the line passing through the point 2y plus j minus 3k and parallel to I plus 2j plus k is, these are the options, students. The solution: R equal to the vector equation of the line passing through one point and parallel to another point. Suppose this is A, this is B. So R equal to A plus TB. So by solving, we get first option is the right option. Okay. R equal to A plus TB. So it is 2 plus Ti plus 1 plus 2 Tj plus T minus 3k. R equal to A plus TB, that is R vector equal to A vector plus TB. So it is 2I cap plus J cap minus 3k cap plus T B vector. B vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. So R equal to 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap plus T I cap plus 2T j cap plus T k cap. Okay. So R vector equal to 2 plus T, this is k cap. Okay. So 2 plus T I cap plus 1 plus 2T j cap plus T minus 3 k cap. Okay. So 2 plus T I cap plus 1 plus 2T j cap plus T minus 3 k cap. This is R vector. Okay. So first option is the right option, students. Now question number 52. The vector equation of plane passing through ABC is R equal to alpha A plus beta B plus lambda C, provided that, these are the options, students. The vector equation of the plane passing through ABC, R equal to 1 minus S minus TA plus SB plus TC. Okay. Here alpha is 1 minus S minus T. If you compare, you get the vector equation of plane passing through ABC is R equal to 1 minus S minus TA plus SB plus TC. But it is given that R equal to alpha A plus beta B plus lambda C. So if you compare both the expression, we get alpha equal to 1 minus S minus T, beta equal to S, gamma equal to T. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 1. Minus S minus T cancel. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is 1. So second option is the right option. If this equation can be expressed as alpha A plus beta B plus gamma C, so provided that alpha plus beta plus gamma should be 1. Now question number 53. The vector equation of plane passing through the origin and the points 4j and 2i plus k is, these are the options. Now solution: R equal to SB plus TC. So first option is the right option, students. R equal to SB plus TC. Now 54. P is a point on the line passing through the point A 3i plus j minus k and parallel to 2i minus j plus k such that AP equal to 9. Then the position vector of P is, These are the options. Now solution. Equation of the line passing through A and parallel to B is R is A plus TB. Okay. So FP vector equal to TB vector, that implies FP vector mod equal to T vector mod, sorry, scalar T mod into B vector mod. So 9 is T mod into 3. So by simplification T is plus minus 3. Okay. So R is A vector plus minus 3B vector. So first option is the right option, students. Okay. Now question number 55. ABC are the position vector of ABC of triangle ABC. The equation of median through A to BC. These are the options. Now solution. Midpoint of BC is B plus C by 2 and R is 1 minus T is the vector equation of a median that passing through A and BC. It is 1 minus TA plus T time B plus C by 2. Okay. So it is 1 minus TA plus T time B plus 2. By simplification, it is A plus T whole into 1 by 2 B plus C minus A. So second option is the right option, students. Now question number 56. The vector equation R equal to lambda I cap plus mu k cap represents the xy plane, the yz plane, the xz plane, a plane not passing through the origin. Solution. Xz plane, the vector equation R equal to lambda I k mu k, it represents I and k, so it is xz plane. Ith coordinate and jth coordinate, ith component and jth component, so it is xz plane. So third option is the right option. ABCD is a parallelogram and LM are the midpoint of the side BC and CD. Then AL plus AM equal to 2 by 3 SC. Second one 1 by 3 SC. Third one 3 by 2 SC. Fourth one 3 by 4 SC. Okay. So these are the options. Solution. So ABCD is a parallelogram. L and M are midpoint of BC and DC respectively. Now AL plus AM. AL plus AM. AL is nothing but AB plus BL and AM is nothing but AD plus DM according to the vector triangle law of vector addition. This is equal to AB plus BL. L is the midpoint of BC. Okay. So BL is BC by 2 plus AD. AD is same as BC since it is a parallelogram. So AD is same as BC plus DM. DM is DC by 2. So DC is AB, so it is AB by 2. So it is AB plus BC. You can see from here. It is AB plus AB by 2. Okay. This is AB plus AB by 2 plus BC plus BC by 2. Okay. AB plus AB by 2, BC plus BC by 2. So it is AB plus AB by 2. So it is 3 by 2 AB plus BC plus BC by 2. So it is 3 by 2 BC. Okay. So it is 3 by 2 AB plus BC. Okay. So it is AB plus BC, it is SC. So it is 3 by 2 SC vector. Okay. So it is clearly 3 by 2 SC. 3 by 2 SC. So third option is the right option, friends.